Hello students, let us see this question here. See, the energy of 24.6 electron volt is required to remove one of the electrons from a neutral atom. The energy in electron volt required to remove both the electrons for the neutral helium atom is. So, for the removal of one electron, the energy is given, that is 24.6. After the removal of first electron, the helium will become hydrogenic element with the one electron, so that will become hydrogen like element. So after the removal of first electron, I can say, right, after removal of first electron, right, this will become He plus 1, and He plus 1 is hydrogen like atom. Hydrogen like atom. So for the hydrogen like atom, we already know all the formulas here. So I can say the formula for energy for the hydrogen like atom is 13.6 electron volt into Z square upon N square. So I can say minus 13.6 electron volt. So for the case of helium, the value of Z is 2, so that will become 2a square, and the one electron is there. So in the ground state, that electron will reside in the lowest most orbit, that is n is equal to 1. So this will become 1 square. So from here I can say this is minus 13.6 into 4 electron volt. So if we'll do the calculation here, you'll get 54.2. Sorry. 54.4 electron volt. 54.4 electron volt. So the energy of the energy of system is this. So for the removal of this electron, the energy required is, so energy required for removal of second electron will be equal to the negative of this. So that is equal to 54.4 electron volt. So for the removal of first electron, the energy required is given in the question, that is this much. And for the removal of second electron, the energy required is this. I got from the formula here. So the total energy required will be, this is what is asking in the question, total energy required will be equal to this plus this. So that is equal to 54.4 electron volt plus 24.6 electron volt. So obviously you will get here 29, right, because 0.4 plus 0.6 will become 1, and this is becoming 28. So total is 29 electron volt. So let us see which option is coming here. Option D. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.